If you find yourself or your patient struggling with their self-esteem, a good way for adults to work on their self-esteem is to reflect inwards when they are feeling down or insecure. Insecurities and lack of self-esteem can show through tendencies like saying negative things and being critical about yourself, blaming yourself when things go wrong, thinking other people are better than you, and thinking you don't deserve to have fun. Individuals can engage with writing prompts to help them reflect on themselves, such as what they love about themselves, things they enjoy doing, their hopes and dreams, and what they want to become. Prompts consist of, something I love doing is, I think I am great at, my future goals include, I'm confident that I'll achieve them because. By engaging with prompts like these, you can articulate what you want out of life and help yourself rediscover your confidence. At our Carepatron website, we have a worksheet for practitioners dealing with patients who have low self-esteem. Go to the template section on our website. You can filter by category or type in the keywords to find a specific worksheet. Select template and select your client. This will bring up the drafts tab, which lets you edit the worksheet to your needs. Once you are satisfied, press publish to complete.